So, Mr. Anderson, would you care to tell me a short story?
I would like to tell you a story if you can find me a beer.
If I can find you a beer. Boom.
A golden lady?
But can you tell me a story?
I can tell you a lot of stories. What do you need to know?
Just whatever. Tell me a good story.
Er du med, Øl? Nej, vi har ikke med herude. Now I opened the yellow lady, and we still got 2 more.
Really? Shit happens, eh?
Yeah, it has to be a fishing story.
It ain't necessary. It can be a story that has something to do with you supposedly going fishing, and maybe it doesn't have to be exactly about the fishing.
I could tell you a lot of gold calls.
Yeah.
But I'm not gonna tell you.
Okay.
Because the biggest fish is the one I'm gonna catch.
And when are you gonna catch that?
You know what time it is?
Not at all.
No. So about a few hours from now.
A few hours from now?
Yeah.
Right.
I'm gonna catch the biggest fish ever caught. You know, the boat is gonna follow the fish because you don't use engine.
No.
Just
paddle that bitch. So it's your fault.
It is.
It's your fault.
I've been following him. I've been following him my whole life.
Yeah.
And I haven't been able to catch shit.
What have I done?
I'm just saying. I hope we catch some fish tomorrow.
Just a bad fish.
Yeah.
We will catch fish.
I hope so.
I've just been drinking beers.
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
Se, det er en udsigt, mand. Fedt.
Now I can actually see where the fuck I'm at. About 3:30. Yeah. Oh.